Boom, there we go, guys. We have another package for the M3. We are doing another install today. I mean, we are just doing install after install. Here we are, there we go. We have our new grills we're gonna be putting on the car today. Carbon fiber, the CSL style. We have this upper grill and we have the lower grills that are gonna get on. Let's get the lower grills out next. Dude, and here they are, the lower air ducts in carbon fiber as well. These things look so good. I am actually so excited to get these on the car. They're gonna look amazing once we finally get these things on. I'm a little worried though. The installs have looked a little long when I'm watching them online. People say they take about a couple hours to do this. But I mean, look at these things, they're beautiful. They're gonna look so good when they're finally on the car. Oh my gosh. Look at these things in the sunlight, man. They look amazing. Made a little bit of a mess, so we're gonna have to clean this up. And then we're gonna get started on the M3. I believe we gotta do the bolts on the top, bolts on the bottom, and there might be some in the wheel well. I'm not 100% about that yet. I'm gonna have to watch a YouTube video to figure out kind of where to start on this thing. And then we're gonna get going once I figure out where to actually begin. Just take a look at this thing. A picture of what will be on the car. This thing is gonna look amazing though. Holy crap, that carbon looks so good in the sun. There we go. So we got like the weather stripping that was on top. We took that off and then we had to take all the bolts on the top off. We've got the bottom piece off as well. So that's right there. That was holding the bottom on. The only thing left, I believe, is going to be the wheel wells. I think there's 2 bolts on each side for the wheel wells is what I saw in the video I just watched on how to do this. So now I got to figure out how to get to the wheel well bolts. I'm trying not to take the tires off because I saw one guy do it and it just looks like a pain to do that. And one person did it without taking it off. So I'm going to try not to take my wheels off and get this. So let's see what happens. There we go. We've got the bumper removed and here it is on the ground. And now we really just got to get these grills off. So if you look behind, it, it's kind of got these pins everywhere. You kind of have to take off all around to pop these off. So we'll have to get those off, but we finally got the bumper off. I mean, it took quite a bit. There's like 20 something bolts underneath. There's probably 20 something on the top. And then you have inside like the fenders, in front of the wheels, you have to get stuff. So there's a lot of bolts just to get the bumper off, but we did get it off and we are now good to finally start working on the bumper itself. What is up, guys? We're warping into the next day now. The car is still destroyed. We have everything in pieces, scattered around, but look at the grill. The new CSL styles is in. This thing is looking so good. Look, you got the carbon air ducts right there. Then you got the full kidney grills. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how well this thing has actually turned out. In love with that look. But now we got to get these sensors put in. I've got these sensors right here from the old front bumper. These have to get put into this. And then once that's in, we can actually start installing it back onto the car. Hopefully it doesn't take too long and I can figure out the process that I use to take everything off and it'll be a smooth process. But first we got to get these sensors installed and then we can get going on that. So we got the old grill right here. I've already got the left side sensor pulled out. Now I just got to get this right side sensor out. Those sensors are going to go right back here. It's going to look something like this. And you just push it in right there and it should clip in. And then there's the plug and you just plug it into the back. There we go. I just got it laid on, so it's not actually attached, but this is basically what it's gonna look like. This thing looks insane. I'm in love with how aggressive this front end is looking. Oh my gosh, that is gonna look so good when we finally have it on. So now I just gotta start basically bolting everything together, and then we're almost done and you'll see the finished result. There we go, the front end is finally back on the car. This thing looks amazing, holy cow. Way more aggressive than last time. I mean, look at that, so clean. Did notice on the old grill we have the M3 badge, where this one doesn't have a badge, and I'm not sure if we're able to attach it or not. It doesn't look like there's anything to put it on. I mean, I could end up gluing that onto this one, but I'm not sure if it would look right or even go kind of with the theme, because this one's like chrome, and now we're gonna get that carbon and blacked out look how it is now. Let me know what you guys think, if I should put this badge on here or just leave it with no badge. I'm kind of digging the no badge for now though. We somehow ended up with 2 bolts left when putting the car back together. They were in my pile for like the bottom set that had the bolts, and I'm not sure where they go. I've checked every spot that has a bolt and they're all filled with bolts, but we still have 2 left. So I'm not sure where these came from, but we're just gonna hope that it doesn't fall apart. I mean, there's about 30 bolts on the bottom already holding the car on, so 2 missing I'm sure is not gonna be that big of a deal.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs.